so cold. Once upon a time, there was an ugly bird. He was very ugly and he is so bad. One day, the summer comes and all the birds was in the river and swim together. They wash themselves. Oh, it's so happy. I'm going to be very beautiful. I wash them now. And then the ugly bird saw the feathers and he picked up the feathers on the ground and he picked them on himself. And he started to run out and sing, la la la, I'm the beautiful bird. La la la, I'm the beautiful bird. La la la. But he didn't wash himself. Then the other birds, one of the bluebirds said, you should make a nest. It's almost winter. The ugly bird said, oh gosh, don't need to be worried. It's summertime. We are always be very happy. I'm the beautifulest bird. I will make them later. And then the other birds are very busy. They are making their nests. They take all the branches to make their big nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 branches, and they have done their nest. But the ugly bird was still playing out and singing because he's very bad. So the ugly bird lied down and he sang a song. La 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 la. Oh, I'm the beautiful bird. And he lied down his sleep. And he snored a bit. But he forgot he didn't make a nest. And then the winter comes. He is very cold and so cold. He woke up and he's feeling himself because he didn't wash himself or make a nest for him. Because now the branches is not here at anything. He is very cold and he's sad. I'm gonna make a nest for me. I will have a nest for me to live in now. Now I will not make a nest. I will be very cold. I will be very too cold. So then, in the next day, the summer comes and the days are getting very light. The ugly bird started to go outside and swimming. Wash himself. Wash, 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 wash. He sings a song. Wash, wash, wash your body, wash your body. Let's go, wash your hands. And then he forgot a thing. He's too tired, so he went back into his cage and he sleep and sing a song. I am very happy, now I am very cleaning. But he forgot that he didn't make a nest for him. So the next day, winter comes and the other birds are in their nest. They were very cold. They said, oh, this is very cold, but now I have a nest now. I will not be cold. But the ugly bird is very cold. And he cried, I don't want to